Welcome aboard the Westerly Longbow, listed for sale with Boatshed Isle of Wight. I'm just at the moment just standing in the cockpit looking down through the companionway. I'm just going to walk around a little bit down below and get an idea of how she's laid out. So nice and easy, big wide companionway, just easy big steps down, nice and easy into the saloon, seating, berthing, down the port side, table, swivels, easily out of the way. The table also is on a bracket so you can move it to the cockpit if you want to. Walking forward, just looking forward, heads, there's a new tap just in the basin there. Forward cabin, under the bunk you see there's 3 new batteries just there. Cockpit cushions, nice and light and bright. Proper mattress. Just easing back, you'll see fridge, storage, cooker. Again, lots of storage. The outboard's just on a bracket there, just being stored at the moment. Down the starboard side, more berthing, seating, instrument panel, engine access underneath those steps. Just spin you back around and we're back where we started from. If you'd like more information, please go to www.boatshedisleofwight.com.